Okay, cut. I got it loose. I ain't worried about that thing up there. That back one's got welded pretty good. And I just had to take my time. I had to get the, I got this thing on battery right now. So I'm gonna take this. I got one of those 10,000 milliamp battery solar panel ones. Okay, I had to get it above the air conditioning hose, and I got my hand caught in between it. I almost broke the daggone thing. It ain't broke, but it hurt like hell. I did not cuss. Usually I would. I just said, dummy. Oh well. Okay, it's nice and loose now. So, that is too. Oh, that is too. But I'm just getting it through. Let me just set you all back down, put you all not on pause, but I need to put the power back on because that way we'll have plenty of power. Should say it. It doesn't. It don't talk. Alright, I'm gonna put you back down here. Let's see if I can get you in there. Yeah. Get you up here when you see it. It's probably gonna be a little bit crooked. You're gonna have just to hope I don't hurt nothing. And myself too. I got it loose. So, thing is, get it up over this. Okay? I would like to have it. You can see me. I got 2 tires, and bring them over this direction and set the whole thing right down here. And then take the motor loose from transmission, and then bring the other motor out and trade. Get all the parts off my motor and put it on it. So I do have it on a roller. I mean that engine stand. It'd be a lot easier to bring it out here by itself than to bring that whole thing in there and do what I have to do. I got a pretty day tomorrow too, so I'm just gonna do this a little. Hopefully I got all the wires done. I have to keep on pushing it. Okay, that is, oh, that looks really good. Came out from under that. Get that out of the way. Forward a little bit. And didn't want to go forward, did it? Straight up underneath the master cylinder. I'm okay. I mean, it's not touching it. Not touching my fan motor back there I just put in for my heater. It's got it. Gotta bring it up slowly but surely. Just to put my hand somewhere back here. It goes and goes. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. It's got it. No problem. Putting that back in is going to be the fun part. I might do something different. I might put the transmission back in first and get it all lined up. But there's some seals I want to put on this transmission before I put it back in. And I got all kinds of shit running out of here. Yeah, transmission fluid on. So I got the transmission back. I'm gonna have to get back up in here. I believe I got the whole thing now, man. I got it. It's hit. It's out. It's coming out. Slowly but surely. And don't call me Shirley, right? Okay. Alright. Just make sure there ain't no wires plugged into it. We don't want to load anything we don't need to. Alright. So it's definitely loose. Blower on this side. That's alright. Yeah, that transmission fluid just coming out of there. I gotta go finish it. Kitty cat litter. Lower, I should have. Well, that's where this motor mount to pull this thing out is made for that corner, so, and then it's back over on that side about the middle ways of the engine, so you get the transmission to the weight, I suppose. It's coming up. I just gotta make sure it ain't getting none of my wires out here. I don't want to break nothing. Yeah, put my hand over there as it wants to come off. Okay. It's hard to do things by yourself sometimes, but you just take your time by doing it. You can do it. Okay, see what we got going back here. It's all behind that. I got to pull it forward some. Got plenty of room for pull it now. If I can do it by myself. Yeah, my shifter drive thing, I might have to set it down a little bit to shift it over. I sure don't want to do it when I, just so I can shift it over just a little bit. Alright, right there. See how we do it. Yeah. That's the thing, is I need to get it back. As we're another person to help, or two people. They're coming forward. It's over that. Alright, I'm going to turn you all back off again. I'll show you when I have it completely out of the car, because this is going to take too long unless y'all watch. You probably wouldn't want to watch anyhow. So, adios. Bye.